Hey guys, today's very brief adventure. We are in Milan, Italy. I am in the square where the Duomo and the Galleria is. We really are on our way to Brescia, but we did stop in here just to grab lunch and take some scenes around the Duomo and Galleria for you. I hope you enjoy it. If you do like what you see, please like and subscribe to our channel. Definitely leave us a comment, check out all our other videos, and I will catch up to you later. Ciao.
Right out of the parking garage, we see this. And now we're going to take a stroll to find the entrance to the Galleria. Let's see what we find. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II was inaugurated in 1867. It is Italy's oldest active shopping arcade and a landmark of Milan, symbolizing elegance and architectural innovation. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II was designed by architect Giuseppe Mengoni and constructed between 1865 and 1877. The foundation stone was laid on March 7, 1865 by King Vittorio Emanuele II, after whom the gallery is named. The Galleria is noted for its glass-vaulted arcades that intersect in an octagonal space covered by a magnificent glass dome measuring 37.5 meters in diameter. This architectural feat was a significant advancement in 19th century design, which influences development of modern shopping malls. The Galleria features intricate mosaics on its floor depicting the coats of arms of the three capitals of the Kingdom of Italy, Turin, Florence, and Rome, along with Milan's coat of arms. The Galleria serves as a vital connection between two of Milan's most famous landmarks, the Piazza del Duomo and the Teatro alla Scala. It has become a symbol of Milanese culture and sophistication, housing luxury boutiques and restaurants, including historic establishments like Caffè Bifi, founded in 1867. The Galleria is often referred to as Il Salotto di Milano, Milan's drawing room, due to its elegant atmosphere and social significance. It is not just a shopping arcade, it's a historical and architectural landmark that embodies the spirit of Milan and the evolution of urban design in the 19th century. Coming out of the Galleria, we come into the Piazza del Duomo, which features the beautiful Duomo of Milan. Let's take a walk and see what it looks like in the piazza and around the Duomo. I was in awe of the majesty of the building itself, but the intricate stonework with all the sculptures is incredible. It was during Fashion Week when we stopped into Milan for lunch. These kiosks were set up next to the Duomo so women can go in and have their hair done. Look at the lines. Well, we came to Milan for lunch, so back into the Galleria to eat at the oldest restaurant, Cafe Beefy, which was founded in 1867. After lunch, as we were heading back to the car park, we came across this church, Chiesa San Fedele. Let's take a look.
Hey guys, I'm back again. I hope you enjoyed that brief little visit to Milan. We are definitely in a tourist area. If you've never seen the Duomo or the Galleria, you have to come here. It's stunning. I did not get a chance to go in the Duomo. I didn't pre-purchase tickets and there are long lines, but I did as much as I could on the outside for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Definitely leave us a comment. Check out all our other videos. I will see you next time. Ciao.